Shopping here in the Big Island isn't just for souvenirs. It's fashion, it's adventure, it's an experience, and it's all in one place. Queens Marketplace offers diversity and family fun for your next shopping excursion. Discover treasures from the world of fine art, photography, sculpture, beautiful custom jewelry, diamonds and pearls. Strike a pose in the latest fashions, from modern lifestyle apparel to breezy sundresses that express your distinctive style. And check out the best surf and skate gear for your active lifestyle. Explore the uniqueness of Hawaii at specialty shops and gift boutiques. Shop for those essentials, novelties, and luxuries, or pamper yourself with deluxe salon services. Enjoy local music and hula, and even catch a movie under the stars. Your next shopping experience should be as diverse as it is fun. You can have it all in one place. Queens Marketplace, the gathering place of the Kohala Coast.